Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and I'm going to show you what I use for my washout process. So I use Kirillon and I use Millsoft, and I get them both from Dharma Trading Company. And I have the gallon jug with the pump, and I just fill these smaller bottles up because I can keep them near the washing machine. So in the first hot water cycle, I scoop up the hot water and I look at it. There's a lot of dye in that water. So I'm going to do a second hot water cycle. I scoop up the water and I check it, and if it looks pretty much clear, then I know that I'm ready for my final hot water cycle using Millsoft. So I hope this clears up some things. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up, and click the bell and set it to all. That way you get notified of future uploads. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing.